The mission of our organization is to implement, promote, integrate and develop public transportation services offered in the Montreal metropolitan area. Our main goal is to increase the ridership of the area's public transportation.
I've been taking the bus for about 7 years.
I've been riding the bus system ever since they started to put these new displays up.
There are a lot more people that are taking the buses. This metro seems to be a nice one, the way it's set up and everything, so that could be a reason why people enjoy taking the metro.
Here at Agence Métropolitaine de Transport, we manage several terminals. For the metro project in Laval, in which 2 terminals were built, the main challenges were providing better customer service and also increasing our operators' efficiency. During the selection process, we decided to retain an integrator named Eminencia. The main objective was to provide a reliable real-time service.
AMT has chosen Eminencia for our expertise in RFID. We decided to use RFID technology, so we had to make selection among numerous vendors and suppliers. Eminencia has chosen Motorola for its legacy in data collection and also its complete enterprise solution and mobility. We have tested the equipment along with AMT, and the results were in favor of Motorola for the performance.
We determined certain technical criteria that the chosen technology had to meet. First of all, we had to consider the speed of the vehicle, so the speed of the bus. Also, we wanted to be able to sense the buses at 5 to 6 meters from the platforms. Tracking the buses wirelessly while they are circulating was also an important criteria. Moreover, and also important, was the weather aspect in Quebec. We needed to make sure that the system would still be functional through temperatures that could go as low as minus 40 degrees.
AMT really looked at the whole ecosystem of how you can take advantage of RFID. By putting a cargo tag on the side of buses and then being able to read them with fixed readers, what it did is it allowed the ability to have the movements in and out of yards managed much more effectively, and that information fed real-time through the wireless infrastructure so that you could do greater planning around the yard as well as scheduling at the dock doors that they needed to go to.
The solution consists of close to 400 RFID tags, readers, bridges, adapters, access points from Motorola. At the entrance and the exit of the depot, we have a system that captures the information and gives a real-time inventory of buses in the depot.
The minute the bus shows up, it lights up green. That tells me the bus is there and it's loading people. And then I have the other screen which tells me which bus is supposed to be there, which bus driver is supposed to be on that bus, what time it's supposed to leave. So if it's late, I have people here that are ready and take the bus and do the route.
We have developed a sophisticated software so we can give some information about the detection. Along with AMT, we are going to develop some reports based on their requirements. By implementing such a technology using RFID, AMT is able now to provide more accurate information to the bus rider to improve their customer service and also give more information to the supervisors or the terminal managers.
We can see exactly what time the bus comes in, what time it leaves, and it gives us the time that it was on the dock. The RFID system has been able to help the passengers because they don't have to go outside at all. So they stay inside and they have all the information about what time their bus is going to go by, if it's cancelled or if it's late or if it's on time.
It's much more convenient now to see with the screens where exactly you're supposed to go, what dock you're supposed to get your bus on. So it's a much more enjoyable experience.
It's helped a lot because on the cold days that we've been having, you can stay inside and look at the time of the bus, and when you see the bus coming, you just pick up and you leave.
Public transportation becomes more efficient and thus more attractive, and this is precisely our mission. We want to improve public transportation's attractiveness in order to boost ridership.
People are seeing benefits from RFID technology. And really key among them is the ability to be able to take control of assets that are in their environment, so they have much greater levels of information, and to be able to manage them in a very cost-effective and automated fashion.